James! Breakfast is ready! James! James! Do you ever clean your room?
Mom, how many times do I have to tell you? You can't go in my room.
My house, my rules. So please respect them, darling. And clean your room. Oh, yeah. The breakfast is ready.
Plain pancakes? Hey!
That's enough whipped cream for you.
Says who? You don't know how much whipped cream I want. Dad will let me put way more.
And last time you came back from your dad, you had a stomach ache for 2 days.
That's not true. And it's not because of the whipped cream. I had a stomach bug.
Right.
How would you know if you never let me eat whipped cream? You never let me do anything. Every time I want to do something, you stop it because of your stupid rules.
Stupid rules?
Yes, you have rules about everything. Soon I won't be able to take a dump. Got some crazy rules.
Watch your mouth.
See, I can't even talk the way I want to.
Okay. You know what? Your father picks you up in 2 days. Until then, you set your own rules. No more mom's rules.
Really?
Do whatever you want.
That's dope. You're the best. Awesome.
We'll see about that.
Oh, we will.